Congratulations and welcome to Ecwid. In this video, I'm going to take about 10 minutes to walk you through the key features of your dashboard and help you get your store up and running. You'll notice here on the left we have three main menus: Store Management, Sales Channels, and Configuration. The menus under Store Management are the ones that you'll use most often. For instance, the Dashboard, Sales, Catalog, Marketing, and Reports. Sales Channels, you'll spend some time setting those up through the setup steps that we're going to go through. And finally, Configuration is where most of our work will be done with the to-do list, but it's somewhere you probably won't visit very often once your store is up and running. When you registered, you answered the question whether you had a website or not. If you indicated that you didn't have a website to embed your store on, well, Ecwid provides you with a store that's ready to go with demo content that you'll update and edit in order to get your store online, and you'll follow through the same to-do list that we're going to go through. The only difference is you won't need to do step number 2. If you do want to add your store to a website or Facebook page you already have, then you'll do that here in step 2. It's really easy to get your store connected with your website, whether it be WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Joomla, or literally any other platform out there, including Facebook, Instagram, even Amazon and eBay. Just click on the Learn More link for the website you have and follow the instructions. You'll notice we're on the All Sales Channel menu in the Sales Channels section. The next step is to add products and services. You'll remember I mentioned a moment ago that Ecwid supplies you with some sample data that you can either disable or delete to get your store up and running. There are 2 ways to get products into your Ecwid store. You can click Add New Product, which we'll do in just a moment, or you can import products via a CSV file, Xcart, or Light Commerce. Most likely, this will be the option you'll use if you have a large list of product or if you're migrating from another e-commerce platform. To add a new product is very simple. Click Add New Product. Let's give it a name. We can add a SKU if we want. And if we're going to ship the item, we'll need some weight. Half a pound sounds good. And we'll need an image. And a quick description. And finally, we'll need a price. Of course, if you're adding digital products or services to your store, you'll need to uncheck this Requires Shipping or Pickup option so that this shipping option disappears when a customer is checking out. You'll save the product, and now when I go back over to my store and hit refresh, my new product is available in my online store. You'll notice that this item in the to-do list takes us to the Products menu under Catalog in our Store Management section. The next step in our to-do list is to review the regional settings. You can update your store name and store location, your company information, any social media accounts that you want to connect to your store. You can even close the store down for maintenance if you need to make any major changes. You'll also need to confirm your regional settings, currency, weight, store language, and date and time. And you might want to check out any legal pages that you might want to add to your store, such as an About Us page, shipping and payment info, return policy, etc. And of course, any tracking and analytics, such as Google Analytics. If you've made any changes, click Save. You'll note we're on the General menu under Settings in the Configuration section. Heading back to my dashboard, my regional settings are updated. Now I can choose how to deliver the goods and update my shipping. Ecwid gives you a number of terrific shipping options. You'll click on Add Shipping, and here in the United States, we have USPS, UPS, FedEx, local delivery, or even any other carrier. As an example, if I click on Set up USPS, the setup guide will take me through all the steps I need to do in order to get this up and running. Clicking on Automatically Calculated Rates for USPS, I can ship orders from my company address or ship orders from a warehouse. Add your details and click Save and Finish. And now USPS has been added, and the automatic rates from USPS are now ready to go from my location. You'll note we're on the Shipping and Pickup menu item under Shipping and Pickup in the Configuration section. Finally, you'll set up your payment options. It's really good to get paid for your online store. Clicking there will take me over to the payment area where I can set up my payment options, including cash and the most popular payment gateways available today: Square, Stripe, and PayPal. I should also note that Ecwid is the only online store that works with Square's POS system where you can sell in person. It's quick and simple to configure a payment option with Ecwid. I'm going to click on Connect and enable Square. All I have to do is connect my Square account. To do that, I just log in and click Allow. And now Ecwid and Square are completely in sync, and I'm able to take payments in my Ecwid store via my Square account. You'll notice we're on the Payment menu in the Configuration section. Well, that's it. Once you've finished the to-do list, you can start selling online. I should point out before we go, there's a lot of other features available. You can control how your store looks and feels by clicking on the Design menu under the Configuration section. Whether you want large, medium, or small images, the aspect ratio, and more. Once you update these settings, this will be immediately reflected on your store site, whether it's the standalone store or if it's been embedded in your own website. So for instance, if I change my image size to small and I hit refresh over on my store, you'll notice that the image sizes immediately are updated based on the settings that I choose. You'll want to spend time here to get the store looking just the way you want it. You may remember at the beginning of the video, I mentioned that if you didn't have a website to embed your store in, then Ecwid set up a standalone site for you. You'll click on Edit Your Website. All of the product updates you've already done are reflected here. You can change the address for your website or even connect your own domain. You can also change the store name. Clicking on Themes will give you a list of all of the terrific themes that are included for free. Just click on the Use This Theme button to update your store instantly with a new look and feel. In addition, Ecwid provides all the tools you need to make your store look great. You can update the headline and the description. You can change the way the cover layout works. You can even change the background with one of your own or one of the many options that we provide. You can change the labels, the typography, and add your own logo. You can add a mission statement, customer testimonials, and even update your contact information with a Google map, a description, a phone number, an email address, and even all of your social media links. It's not hard to make your Ecwid store look just the way you need it to. The other important area of your dashboard I want to show you is the Reports area. You can download a reporting app that will show you real-time traffic and trends for your store. And it'll give you information that'll help you sell more effectively. Because it's an app, it's something you'll need to install, but it's free. So click View the app and simply follow the instructions. The app is free, but there are additional paid services that Clicken provides. Finally, when you need help, don't worry, we're here. You can search the help articles, you can watch videos on a variety of topics, and you can find out how to contact support based on the level of service you've purchased. Well, that's it. I just want to congratulate you on getting your Ecwid store up and running. For additional resources, please visit support.ecwid.com.